Hi, Ceramics 2. It's so nice to see you. Welcome back. This is Mrs. Crystallite. I'm so happy that you decided to take Ceramics 2. I'll be your teacher this year, and I'm looking forward to a great year, even if we kind of get off to a rocky start. Okay, here we go. I want to explain a few things to you, whether you're at home on your hybrid day or you're at home for the duration until this all works itself out. So let's go over a few things. Okay, first thing, I want to take us through how you're going to get to your Google Classroom. We're going to be looking at Google Classroom all year until this is all over. So I'm going to switch over here. All right, how you get there, in case you don't know, we're going to go to pentrafford.org. Can you see that right there? pentrafford.org, and you're going to go to schools. I'm not sure why high school isn't listed first, because you're the most important. We're going to go to high school, faculty, staff, and then, I'm sorry if I didn't tell you to get your Chromebook out or your phone or whatever to do this. You probably already know how to do this. All right, there's Brenda Crystallite. That's me, c'est moi. Okay, you are Ceramics 2. But before we do that, let's go over eChalk here, okay? Once you're in Google Classroom, once you're in eChalk, you can go to Classes Ceramics 2, okay? I will have open office hours from 7:30 to 8 every morning, whether you're at home or whether you're totally online, or even if you're in school, okay? I will respond to as many emails as I possibly can during the school day. Let's see here. Once you're in Google Classroom, okay, I need you to read every assignment completely. It's up to you. You have to be so independent when you're at home. You really have to really take it upon yourself to do what you need to do. Please don't just skip through every other assignment or go to, skip through the lessons. It's going to be on you. There's a lot of work that you're going to have to be doing at home. And I'm going to reinforce this philosophy here that class time only strengthens the online, okay? The online is what's important, okay? And we'll go over that in just a minute. You have to be responsible for your own success in class. And please talk to me. If you're at home online, please communicate with me at least once a week. Send me an email, a message, whatever. Just let me know how you're doing, okay? And of course, plagiarism, we're not going to plagiarize anything. If I suspect plagiarism, I'll run it through this site called TinEye, and it will show me if I suspect that you copied someone else's work and put it off as your own. That's a big no-no, okay, in art and in English, right, in English class. Okay, so we're going to go to Ceramics 2. Da-da-da. All right, and you're going to see here on your eChalk, there is a link to your syllabus and your agreement. If you're coming on hybrid, I will give you paper copies of these in class the first few days of school, okay? You can click here to see my lesson plans. If you're really interested, your Google Classroom code and your Remind code, okay? And those should all be in Google Classroom too. I also have Artsonia. We will use that. If you've ever had me as a teacher, you already have an Artsonia account, most likely. So you're going to see it's one of your assignments, easy 5 points. Especially if I had you in elementary school, you're going to probably see pictures of your artwork that you haven't even thought about for 10 years. So it's crazy, but here we all are. I also have a wish list here. If you're throwing away newspaper or grocery bags even, I'll take them, okay? We can use them. Old ketchup squeeze bottles, they're great for paint. So any of that good stuff. Okay, my dears, let's go over to Google Classroom. Let's just pretend that we were in so here I can do this. I can't link Google Classroom to here because we have to log in. But here's your Google Classroom, okay? Stream, I really don't care too much about. What you want to do here is go to your classwork, okay? Alrighty. And every week, deliberately, I will be so consistent with this. If there's nothing else I do, it's going to have the dates of the week. So you're going to see big bold right at the top, online assignments, and then whatever dates of the week it is. Okay, so this week you'll have a few. So next week when you log in, okay, I will move this up here and you will see this is already next week. Okay, I'm starting to put that together for you, but we don't need that yet. So All you got to do is go in Google Classroom first thing. All right, this presentation, I will go over that the first 2 times you're here with me in school. If you're totally online, you can break that up into 2 days, okay? What was I going to say? Slides, I think it's, did I write it down? Yes, I did. Slides 1 through 36 on the first day, and slides 37 through the end on the second day. You'll figure it out. It has a big, I'll show you here. Okay, I could show you how it's broken up. You're going to see, there you go, ceramics 2, day 2. Okay? All right, let's go back to Google Classroom. The syllabus, it's posted online here, okay? I need you to read that, ask me questions about that. The agreement, this is going to be real important. We'll go over this in class, but there are a few things I need you to do here on the back side of this agreement, okay? Please read through this. These are my rules to ensure your success, okay? It explains Google Classroom. I will update Google Classroom by 8 a.m. every Monday. Okay, here is your action plan, everything you need to do. I try to make this easy on you. You guys are probably swimming in information. I feel for you. I do. So you're just going to have to be real. Just keep on top of this stuff. Sign up for remind.com. There's an invite there. Okay. If you're having trouble with that, you don't have a cell phone, please just let me know. I get it. It's okay. We'll figure something out, all right? This is the Artsonia here. Ask your parent guardian to approve your Artsonia account. Look, one person already turned it in. You guys are amazing. Okay, and then who is in the art room? This is a very simple, looks like some people already turned it in. I just want to get a feel for you. So as far as who is in the room, what you're thinking about, where you're coming from, those kind of things, okay? Just click, go through. Do you consider yourself to be an artist? Click. Are you creative? Click, okay? Because it's nice to know that other people are experiencing the same thing you are and feeling the same things you are. That's pretty much it for the first week of school, the 27th and 28th, okay? When you get back on Monday, that's going to be August 31st or September 1st, depending upon what group you are in, okay? I'm going to show you this presentation. Now, I am really taking it easy on you guys. Come on, load. There it is. Okay. I'm kind of taking it easy on you guys for the first couple days till you kind of get a feel for this. When we get into the nitty-gritty of ceramics, I am not going to be showing PowerPoints in class. It's going to be up to you to do these things on your time at home. There's no reason that you can't go through a PowerPoint, especially if I narrate it, okay? I'm not going to take precious class time. Okay, you are amazing. I'm going to go through this a little bit quicker here because, like I said, I will go through this in class together. This is the only time I'm going to use a PowerPoint in class here, just because our class time is going to be so precious and you want your hands in the mud, right? Okay, I want to show you this though. This is how I am, this is my philosophy, okay? In the hybrid model, which is going to last at least through, what, October, I think, the end of October? Okay, your class time strengthens the online. What does that mean? Okay, this is what it means for you. When you're at home, you're going to be looking at presentations, watching videos, doing all of your research and sketching and planning, things like that, things you would usually have 2 or 3 days to do in school, okay? We don't have that luxury this year, at least to begin with, hopefully later, but you're going to have to do this stuff at home. You're going to be posting work online through Artsonia, okay? And if Artsonia is not working for you, we can discuss that. And maybe a little bit of art history, especially in ceramics too. Your skills are already at a level that you can start looking at outside influences and pulling those suggestions, pulling those ideas into your own work as you develop as a ceramic artist. Okay. When you're in class with me, in person, You can use the clay. Work time, you'll be able to, powwow with me one-on-one. Group critiques, probably a few during the year. I will demonstrate things online. You'll be able to photograph your work as it comes out of the kilns. And of course, we have to take care of the art room. Okay. So I think anything else I need to tell you, you do not have to log into ceramics synchronously. That means, like, say you have ceramics to second period. What times that begin? 8:09? No, I'm sorry. 8:24, I think. 8:24 to 9:05. You don't have to get up every morning and log into that at the same time, because I'm not going to be videotaping live lessons. Okay. I will post all my videos. Even if I do take a video during a class, I'll post it on the Google Classroom. Okay. I know some of your teachers want you to be online at a certain time. No, ceramics is different because it's so material oriented. When you're here, I want you working with the materials. When you're home, I want you doing everything on Google Classroom. Easy as that. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. You are amazing. Thank you for logging in, for showing up, for putting any fear, anxiety you have aside, and just moving forward, because that's what everybody's doing right now, okay? Please let me know what I can do to help you. I'm here, and you know my office hours. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you all soon. Bye.